6 ideal vegan recipes for losing weight. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. If you're following a vegan diet and aiming to lose weight, we've got you covered. With these 6 vegan recipes, these recipes are not only delicious, but also designed to support your weight loss goals by incorporating nutrient-rich ingredients and keeping the calorie count in check. From vibrant salads to hearty soups and flavorful stir-fries, these vegan recipes offer a variety of options to satisfy your taste buds, all while promoting a healthy lifestyle. Number 1. Veggie fried rice, 240 calories. Veggie fried rice is a flavorful and low-calorie dish that is perfect for those who's seeking healthy vegan recipes for weight loss. This recipe is packed with a variety of colorful vegetables that provide essential vitamins, minerals, and a variety of colorful vegetables. By using brown rice instead of white rice, you can increase the nutritional value and fiber content of the dish. The combination of vegetables and whole grains in this recipe promotes satiety and help control cravings, making it an excellent choice for weight loss and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Here are the specific ingredients for veggie fried rice. 1 cup cooked brown rice, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1/2 cup diced carrots, 1/2 cup diced bell peppers, 1/2 cup diced broccoli, 1/2 cup diced zucchini, 1/4 cup frozen peas, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. For optional toppings, sliced green onions, sesame seeds. Here is the process for making veggie fried rice. Number 2. Quick spinach wrap, 240 calories. A quick spinach wrap is a nutritious and low-calorie option for those following a vegan diet and aiming for weight loss. This recipe features a whole wheat wrap filled with fresh spinach, vegetables, and plant-based protein sources. Spinach is rich in vitamins and minerals and antioxidants, while vegetables provide additional nutrients and fiber. The plant-based protein adds satiety and helps maintain muscle mass. By choosing a whole wheat wrap, you increase the fiber content and promote a longer-lasting feeling of fullness. This quick and easy spinach wrap is a convenient and satisfying option to support your weight loss journey. Here are the specific ingredients for a quick spinach wrap. 1 whole wheat wrap or tortilla, handful of fresh spinach leaves, sliced vegetables, sliced avocado, sliced plant-based protein source, hummus, or a healthy sauce for spreading. For optional toppings, salt, pepper, herbs, or spices. Here is the process for making quick spinach wrap. Number 3. Chickpeas with peppers, 240 calories. Chickpeas with peppers is a nutritious and low-calorie vegan recipe that is perfect for weight loss. This dish combines protein-packed chickpeas with colorful bell peppers, creating a satisfying and flavorful meal. Chickpeas are an excellent source of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential nutrients, making them a great choice for weight management. Bell peppers add a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to the dish, promoting overall health and well-being. The combination of these ingredients provides a filling and nutritious option for those following a vegan diet and aiming to lose weight. Here are the specific ingredients for chickpeas with peppers. 1 can of chickpea, drain and rinse. 1 red bell pepper sliced. 1 green bell pepper sliced. 1 onion thinly sliced. 2 cloves of garlic minced. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1/2 teaspoon cumin. salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley or cilantro for garnish. Here is the process for making chickpeas with pepper. Hey guys, before we get to number 4, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4, vegetable spaghetti, 310 calories. Delicious vegetable spaghetti is a fantastic option for those looking to lose weight on a vegan diet. This recipe features a combination of fresh vegetables and whole grain spaghetti, providing a satisfying and low-calorie meal. Vegetables are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for maintaining overall health and supporting weight loss. By swapping traditional pasta with whole grain spaghetti, you increase your intake of fiber and complex carbohydrates, promoting better digestion and long-lasting energy. This dish is not only delicious, but also allowing you to enjoy a flavorful and filling meal while working towards your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for delicious vegetable spaghetti. 8 ounces whole grain spaghetti, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 zucchini thinly sliced, 1 yellow squash thinly sliced, 1 red bell pepper sliced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 cup spinach or kale chopped, salt and pepper to taste, fresh basil or parsley for garnish. Here is the process for making delicious vegetable spaghetti. Number 5, peppers with feta and beans, 290 calories. Peppers with feta and beans is a delicious and nutrient-packed vegan recipe that can aid in weight loss. This dish combines vibrant bell peppers, creamy feta cheese, and protein-rich beans to create a satisfying and flavorful meal. Bell peppers are low in calories and high in vitamins and antioxidants, supporting overall health and weight management. The addition of feta cheese adds a creamy and tangy flavor while providing calcium and protein. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, promoting feelings of fullness and aiding in digestion. By enjoying peppers with feta and beans, you're nourishing your body with essential nutrients while enjoying a tasty and satisfying dish. Here are the specific ingredients for peppers with feta and beans. 2 bell peppers, halved and seeds removed. 1 cup cooked beans. 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese. 1/4 cup chopped fresh herbs. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making peppers with feta and beans. Number 6, vegetarian skillet recipe, 280 calories. A vegetarian skillet recipe is a nutritious and flavorful option for those following a vegan diet and aiming to lose weight. This recipe combines a variety of colorful vegetables, plant-based protein sources, and flavorful spices to create a satisfying and low-calorie meal. Vegetables are rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which support overall health and aid in weight loss. By incorporating plant-based protein sources like beans, tofu, or tempeh, you're ensuring an adequate intake of protein to support muscle growth and repair. The spices add depth and flavor to the dish without adding excessive calories or sodium. Enjoying a vegetarian skillet recipe allows you to indulge in a delicious and wholesome meal while promoting weight loss and a healthy lifestyle. Here are the ingredients for a vegetarian skillet. Here is the process. And that concludes our list of 6 ideal vegan recipes for lose weight. Do you happen to know any vegan recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always up to date on the best and healthiest foods available. In every bite, a taste of health and delight. And that is Healthy Bites. Bye!